아, 또 키씨
네.
연예계 대표 패셔니스타예요.
뭘 또.
Hello everyone! So if you are new to this channel or you just haven't picked up from the amount of times I've mentioned them in my videos, I really like SHINee. So I've been planning to do a video where I recreate some of Key's outfits, kind of similar to other videos I've done in the past. However, I have come to the realization that I just don't have enough clothes that match his to be able to make an interesting enough video out of that idea. So for now, it is on the back burner, but I am hoping in the future to do it still, or maybe do a full SHINee outfit video. That might be easier if I just pick one from each member. I decided instead to just make this video where I'm going to talk about some of the outfits of his that I really like, but also how he started to work in the fashion industry as well as become a fashion director with SM. I just think he is super underrated within K-pop, not even just in fashion, but in general, in everything that he does. And so I wanted to kind of make a video dedicated to him to show maybe newer fans a different side of him that you might not be used to if you just know him from memes. Well, I don't think you'll understand. I literally made a PowerPoint for this. I didn't want to do Kibum dirty, so I had to be prepared. Alright, so we're going to start off with Key as a fashion director and designer. So since 2015, Key has actually been working on designing outfits and concepts for a bunch of SHINee's concerts, some of which included our SHINee World 4 and SHINee World 5. He mentioned on a show that the way he started doing this was bringing up to the staff that he wanted a chance to work on SHINee's concepts and their designs. So they set up a meeting for him to discuss it, and he did not want to just get the job because he was in SHINee, because he was an idol, you know. He wanted it based on merit, and so he came to this meeting prepared with a PowerPoint that talked about, you know, the different cost breakout of certain outfits, different concepts he wanted, different outfits that he thought would be cool and what would suit each member. So they gave him an opportunity which led to more, and he continued to do well, so he was promoted to become one of SM's fashion directors. A couple other fun fashion things he did. He was actually a guest editor for Korea, where he wrote a column called Key Story. It was a bi-weekly column, and he did, I think it was 8 different columns. I could only find 8, so I'm assuming. The last one he did, he actually talked a lot about his experience as a fashion director, kind of went through the steps that they take in order to do it, and it was really interesting getting to read that and learn about like his own creative process of it and just see how much he really loves doing that. That definitely shows that his passion for fashion is not that rhymed is not limited to just wanting to wear specific brands. It's like fully invested kind of in the art form. Another really cool thing he did in fashion was a collab with the Korean brand Charms and also Irene from Irene is Good. If you look at SM's YouTube channel, they actually posted a 3-part series back then of Key and Irene answering fan questions, talking about their own personal style, as well as the design process for this collaboration and like what it was like working together. Key debuted in 2018 with his solo album Face, which is the 3rd in the beautiful SHINee plagiarism set, and I'm kind of obsessed with a lot of these outfits. Most importantly, the cropped yellow jacket fit. That as an outfit is something that only he could really pull off. The sparkly blazer fit with like the kind of mesh see-through shirt underneath. I love it. And there was also the repackage I Wanna Be. I have it in my closet. I could get it. Bam! I Wanna Be. My favorite outfit from I Wanna Be, honestly, controversial perhaps, I really liked the orange turtleneck fit with the different diamond pattern on it. And then he has a mullet, and that's a whole other thing. Like, I was never a fan of anyone in mullets, and then Key wore it, and I'm like, okay, I get it. I get it now. Like, I understand where y'all are coming from. A couple other cool things to note about his solo debut, the Keyland merch design. He actually collaborated with the brand Little Sunny Bite in order to design this merch. So where was his solo debut stage, you might be asking? I did mention the showcase earlier, but before that, he actually performed his song Chemicals, which is a B-side, at Seoul Fashion Week. It was actually at the Charms Spring and Summer 2019 show. I know that's not directly related to like fashion, but I just thought it was really cool that he performed at a fashion show. Not only that, but it was also with Charms, you know, the brand he collabed with before. And we have now arrived to part 2 of the video, where I will be talking about some of my favorite of his outfits. This video could be a lot longer if I talked about every single outfit I liked, but these are like the main ones. So We're starting with airport fashion, a classic, you know. This first fit is probably one of my favorites in so many ways. It is this red jacket fit that he has. It's just a white button up with black jeans, but then his jacket is this bright red color that just looks really, really nice on him. But I love this scarf. It's so unique and different, and the way that he's wearing it, like not wrapped around, just kind of draped over the neck. I tried doing that once. It did not look good. Yeah, easy. This fit is like 10,000 out of 10. He could wear this every single day from now on. No other outfit, and I would not be complaining. Next, oh, I love this. Leather jacket, floral shirt, Kibum. The way this leather jacket fits him is moi. I will never look that good in anything. I'm just gonna put that out there. Lower your expectations for me, but like this is just like this is just casual him. Next, oh, I forgot how much I like this one. Pink hair Kibum with this double layered jacket situation, button up underneath, but also the choker is like a full belt around his neck, and it's just a lot for me to process. I love how the layered jackets look. They're both neutral tones, so they match really well with the rest of the outfit, which is really simple in colors. And then there's the choker that's just like, ooh, it's just there. And finally, this outfit's like one of my favorites. I am not kidding. I love the pants that he wears here. He's worn these quite a bit before actually, and I've seen them kind of as more of a trend in Korea, this kind of different colored folded bottom part of the pant. I think it's cool. It's like a different take on jeans that is not very common, but since it's still a white color, it's kind of simple and doesn't necessarily overshadow the jacket, which has all these really cool patches on it. Moving on to Instagram Kibum, and if you want any fashion inspiration, you should be following him. This one in the grocery store, he's wearing a hoodie that I actually thought about buying a while ago from the brand Mahagrid. There's this necklace layered around it, and I never thought about layering a necklace around a hoodie like that. Low-key kind of want to like try that. I don't know if that's gonna look good on me, but I'll just try it in my room, and if it doesn't, I won't go outside. I loved this outfit for some reason, and I still don't entirely know why. He's just wearing a cardigan without like any shirt under it, and then these loose fit light wash jeans, white shoes, baseball cap. I could not tell you why I like it so much. I just do, so I wanted you to see it. At this point, one of the most iconic places he takes his pictures are on the stairs inside SM. I need to talk about Key's long hair. Key's long hair that he just kind of released like 2 days ago as I am filming this. It is everything I ever needed. That sounds dramatic. Oh god, what if he watches this? He's never gonna watch this. I also like that outfit. I guess I should talk about the outfit too. I like that jacket. Brown is a very in color right now. It's something I've been kind of surprised by. And then matching it with the more neutral tone pants. I'm just here for neutral tone outfits. Neutral tone outfits 2021. All right, some more outfits that I like. His One Fine Day fit. So this was in 2014, but I feel like he could probably wear it now and like no one would know that it was originally from back then. You know, you got the button up layered under the knitwear, and then there's like a denim jacket on top of it. I love the mix of patterns and textures here. I love the little skull pin on his jacket. It's just really cute, and I've always loved that. Like since this came out, that was my favorite part of the outfit, was just the little skull pin. This is just a cute outfit. 10 out of 10. This outfit was actually one of the ones I was thinking of recreating because it's kind of easy to do. I just thought he looked really good in these pictures. I love the red on the jacket that just kind of stands out from the rest of the outfit that's a bit more simple. I just thought it looked really good on him. That's it. Okay, next, this outfit. First of all, his hair with this headband was a look. The red belt as an accent is like what draws my eyes first to this outfit. You know, it makes the outfit stand out by having that belt stand out from the rest of it, and then you look at the rest of it and you're like, wow, this is really well put together. Music video fits. I put 2 in here. One is from One of One, and that's one of my favorite like SHINee comebacks in terms of styling. Also the music, let's be real. One of One was a bop. I love the simple kind of more plain colored suit with the pop of color underneath. I think it's really cool. And then I have to talk about Lip Ring Key from Good Evening. The glasses that have like a typically older person look to them with like the glasses chain, but then there's like a lip ring, and those are all the outfits. Oh my god, my voice is like gone from talking. Jesus. So those are all the outfits that I wanted to talk about. His talent and creativity is just so well seen in SHINee's concepts as well as his other collaborations, and I don't know, I'm just proud of him. Not enough people talk about him. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of a little different from my normal content. I don't know, I just had the idea to make this and I thought it would be fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.